आडकून उरिल्ल्यो कूळ आनी मुणकार केशी एका वर्सान निकालान काडपाचे आदेश मेळ्ळा. 3 परस चड फावटी सुनावणी स्थगीत करची न्हय आनी 3 वर्सां परस चड काळ आडकून उरिल्ल्यो केशी बेगोबेग सोंपोवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. तशेंच विशेष मामलेदार नेमून शेनवाराय कोर्ट चालू दवरतले म्हूण महसूल मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरात उलयलो.
The government has effected some transfers which has come yesterday as far as Mamladar, joint Mamladars and all are concerned. So basically we are we are trying to put things in place. So we will be having this dedicated Mamladar to look after all these tenancy and munkarial matters. So now even there must be some shortages. After this transfer, we will be looking after the shortages which are there as far as Mamladars are concerned. So we will try to basically at least I will be meeting CM and try to have an ad hoc promotion at least of some of the staff in the Mamladar office who can be entrusted the work as an ad hoc promotion. To be entrusted the work of the Mamladars. The day I took over, that within 6 months' time, so the process basically has started. Within 6 months' time, see that as far as the dates also concerned, there will not be means Tariq will not happen now. That's the reason we are having this dedicated Mamladars to look after these matters.